Well, I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain. Yeah, I wish it would rain. Once upon a time, I thought this town was mine. People got along pretty well. Church service, sanity, community, and charity. We rushed to the fire when we heard the bell. But the machines took over, they tore us all apart. No one can see eye to eye. The climate started changing, the emotional one, and our souls got brittle and dry. I wish it would rain. 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 Well, please forgive me if I just rattle on. I know you're not listening, no how. You're lost in your fantasy, it doesn't include me. Something seems gone right now. I'm not here for affirmation, I just really want to talk, but there's no one willing to try. The climate has changed, the emotional one, and our souls seem brittle and dry. I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain. Yeah, I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain. Lord, I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain.